What's going on, people? We're the Grease Monkey, built by yo. So what we got right here today is, of course, the Roadster Shop chassis for the 74 Blazer. So as you can see, we got some new, I guess that'll be new socks. And wouldn't it, I think that'll be considered socks instead of new shoes. Cause I mean, they're not the wheels, so they the socks, right? Yeah. So we got some new drip for Dreamsicle. So what we got here is new 6-piston brakes from Baer, courtesy of Baer. They are custom Hugger Orange powder coat, and they're also custom engraved Dreamsicle, and then we went with the by Baer instead of the Baer Paw logo. But you know, clean, simple design. So this is the front setup. Come on back, T, come on back, come on back. And then we got the rear setup, which they pretty much the same size. So I mean, you know, all the stopping power for all the power that we about to put down to the ground. So you got to be able to stop it. Just like I said on our Labor Day commercial, everybody with these big motors, you got to stop. You can't skimp out on the brakes. You got to make sure everything flows nicely together. So yeah, just got these installed. As you can see, the chassis is still wrapped. So I'm gonna wait to do the brake lines until we actually put the body back on the frame. So that way I don't have to unwrap it, run the brake lines, then wrap it back up so we don't scratch it. So yeah, I'm gonna just wait. And then once we get the body back on the chassis, that's when I do the brake lines and air lines and fuel lines all around that same time. Because as you can see, we got bundle going on a brand new trans tunnel. Miguel getting us right there. So we had to do a custom trans tunnel to fit this 10L90. So normally you wouldn't have to modify the tunnels, just like on our SEMA truck last year, we didn't. But with this Roadster Shop chassis, being an air ride chassis, it literally drops the frame rails down to the ground. So with that, they literally raised up the motor by the motor mounts and the trans mount up closer to the body. So with this transmission being so large, we had to enlarge the trans tunnel, and we had to make a custom drive shaft tunnel and clearance a little bit around one of the body cross members. We had to kind of notch it out for the drive shaft. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on today. I think it's 71 days into the SEMA. I don't know, and y'all will see in the description. It'll have exactly how many days we got left. But we're making good progress. We got the brakes on. So the next step is probably going to be to take this motor off. Hopefully our BTR parts come in. Shout out to BTR for partnering with us on our engine builds. So that should be what's next for us, is pull this out and get the motors built, and then we'll be able to put them back in. Shout out to Ultimate Headers, a new partner that we just got. So they are, well, we partnered with them to get a set of headers that are specifically made for LT motor in this Roadster Shop chassis. So in a sense, they made for this, so they should be guaranteed to fit perfect. And that way we can go ahead and start on the stainless exhaust. So that also will be coming up soon. So for today, that's what we got done. So we appreciate y'all watching and following along with this build process. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Shout us out. Ask us any questions you got along the way of this build. But yeah, we appreciate you guys. Peace.